What's going on, guys? It's your boy Brap Genius, and today I'm going to be telling you the best setup for your Mustang for the winter. So let's get into it. So now when it comes to your Mustang, guys, you know, obviously driving it in the snow is not the best move. If you have another vehicle that can handle the snow better, that's probably the better decision. But if you're like me and this is your only vehicle, you know, you want to drive it in the snow, that's fine. It can be done. I do it. Other people do it. You just want to be careful about how you do it. If you do it smart, you're going to be fine. If you're an idiot, you're gonna crash and you're gonna mess up your car. So the first tip, I'm gonna try and go in the order of the cheapest things you can do first, because that's obviously what everybody would like. So the first and the easiest thing you can do is fill up your gas tank. Having that extra weight in the back of your car is going to give you better traction. It adds a lot of extra weight, and it's something simple and something that you'd have to do anyway. So before a snowstorm, just make sure you guys fill up your car. Now, the next cheapest thing you can do, which has worked for me so far as well, is put a couple sandbags in the back. I have 4 50-pound sandbags in the back of my car. So, you know, they're like $3 each. So for 12 bucks, you know what I mean? The problem with these cars is they don't get enough traction because the engine is so heavy. The engine, of course, for these cars is in the front of the car. So when you have all that power in this car makes about 420 horse stock. When you have that kind of power and the rear end of your car is as light as this is, you know, that's why so many people have trouble driving these cars in the snow, because they've got too much power going to the rear wheels with not enough weight to hold it down, so they just lose traction. So that's the next thing. Now, the most important thing above all that I would say is your tires. Both of those things won't matter, having your gas tank full and your having your gas tank full and sandbags in the back, that'll help. But if you have summer tires on your car, I'm sorry, but you're gonna struggle. You might be able to do it. I haven't tried it. I don't want to try it. You got to invest in some good tires if you want to do this. So I have on these Bridgestone Blizzaks. These are some of the highest graded tires for any car in general in the winter and the snow. These are some of the best snow tires on the market, and I have them on here. And I will say, I've been in 2 snowstorms now. This one really isn't bad. It's only about 1.5 inches, but they didn't salt the roads, they didn't plow the roads, they haven't done anything. So I've just been driving through and I've had relatively good traction. Also, you want to leave traction control on. Unless you're slipping, then you need to turn it off. Another thing that I will say that'll help you if you guys do get stuck. Let me open it up here. Actually, I'll show you guys. My trunk is probably a little bit messy, so excuse that. I've got these little metal plates here. And so what you can do with that is, if your car does get stuck, you can slip those under the tires right here, and then hopefully that'll give you enough traction to be able to do what you need to do and get out and keep moving. You know, you're gonna have to try and get to whatever spot you can, then park your car, go back and get them. But that's another thing that can help you in general with the snow. Now, my next video is going to be how to drive a rear-wheel drive car in the snow. I have a lot of tips for that. So if you guys are interested in any Mustang videos, any motorcycle content, dirt bike content, you know, I've got all that for you guys. So if you do like this video and you like videos like this, make sure you hit the like button, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and more content to come, guys. Got a little snow action. His traction control's on, he's not going anywhere. Overall, the things that you need to do: 1, fill up your gas tank. 2, put some weight in the back. It doesn't have to be sandbags. You can use cinder blocks. I like sandbags because they're a little bit more proportionate of how they distribute the weight. 3 would be snow tires. Snow tires, by far, your tires in general, are the most important thing, because they are what connects your car to the road. So if you don't have good tires, you're not going to have good traction. It's just a fact. So if you wonder if you can drive a Mustang in the snow, it can be done. It has been done, and it will be done again. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you do me a favor, hit that like button. And as always, guys, have a great day. Drive safe. Peace.